GoHighLevel keeps the pricing plans fairly simple, and most people will fit into the first two main plans. The big differentiation between those plans is how many sub-accounts you have. A sub-account is basically a separate workplace inside GoHighLevel for each business or client that you manage. The starter plan is $97 a month, and that gives you 3 sub-accounts, which is enough for most solo operators and small businesses. The unlimited plan is $297 a month, and that gives you unlimited sub-accounts, which is what most agencies end up on once they're managing multiple clients. There's also an Agency Pro plan at $497 a month that unlocks SaaS mode, which we'll talk about a bit later. And if you want to save some money, all 3 plans are also available on annual billing. Both plans normally come with a 14-day free trial, but if you do decide to use GoHighLevel, use our first link in the description down below to get an exclusive 30-day trial instead. The extra time matters because GoHighLevel is a deep platform, and sometimes 2 weeks isn't really enough to evaluate if it's the right fit for your business.